In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view mobile on Squarespace. If you've ever wondered how your site looks on a phone without leaving the editor, this quick walkthrough is for you. Previewing the mobile version is essential because most visitors browse on their phones, and even small layout issues can affect how your brand feels and functions. First, make sure you're inside your site in Squarespace. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation panel. Click Website on the left. This opens the area where you manage and preview your pages, sections, and content. If you're looking at settings or other dashboard tools, simply return to this website view to access your site's pages and the live preview area. Next, look to the top right of your screen. You'll see a small set of device icons. Click the phone icon at the top right. That icon toggles the preview to a mobile-sized frame, so you can see how your pages stack and respond on smaller screens. Depending on your template, you might also see a desktop icon and sometimes a tablet icon. For now, the phone icon is what you want to confirm the mobile experience. Once you click it, you'll see the mobile view of your website immediately. Sections will stack vertically, images and text will reflow to fit the narrower width, and your site's mobile navigation, often a hamburger menu, will appear. Take a moment to scroll through a few pages. Check that headings don't wrap awkwardly, buttons are large enough to tap comfortably, and images remain clear and properly cropped. If you use galleries, forms, or embedded media, scan those too to make sure they're easy to use with a thumb. Keep in mind that this is a preview, and it simulates common phone dimensions. It's very accurate, but real devices can vary slightly due to browser settings, operating systems, and custom fonts. As a best practice, after you finish editing, take a quick look on an actual phone as well. Also remember that Squarespace's mobile styles are typically optimized by default, so you may not need many adjustments. Just keep spacing generous and text sizes readable. If you don't immediately see the phone icon, double-check that you're viewing a page rather than a settings screen, and that your browser window isn't so narrow that controls are hidden. A quick refresh can also bring the controls back. That's all there is to it. Click Website on the left, click the phone icon at the top right, and you're in mobile view. Simple, fast, and incredibly useful for polishing your site's on-the-go experience.